Good morning, students. This is the fourth session of the rational number, and in the previous session we have already seen that how the rational number is being plotted on the number line, how we have done the comparison between two rational number with different method. Now in this video we are going to see that how the addition of rational number and subtraction, multiplication and division of rational number is being done along with their different cases. So we are going to see how the addition of rational number is done with their different cases, and the case number 1 is when denominator are equal. So we will understand it with example. If I have taken the rational number 4 upon 15 plus 8 upon 15, and here you can see that we have to add this. Okay, so as case number 1 is saying that when denominators are equal, so here the denominators are equal, so we will simply take 15 as the LCM of these two and simply add the numerators, and that will be 4 plus 8. Your answer will come 12 upon 15. See, if it can be further simplified, so we will take a number to simplify it, and what number we have to take that can divide 12 and 15 at a time. So in which table 12 and 15 are coming? It is coming in the table of 3, and that is 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Now here it can't be solved further, so this is your final answer. Let's understand it with another question. For example, if I have taken minus 4 upon 15 plus 8 upon 15, then again your LCM will come 15, and we will simply add the numerators. So here your answer will come minus 4 plus 8, and that is plus 4 upon 15. Now it can't be solved further, so this is your answer. Now let's take another example also to understand it more clearly. If I have taken 4 upon 15 plus 8 upon minus 15, student, you can see that here also the denominators are same, so we will turn this into a standard form first of all, and it will be like this. In standard form you have already seen that the denominator should be positive, so your minus sign will go above with 8 and your 15 will come here. Understood? Then we will take an LCM of 15, again 4 and plus, then within bracket minus 8, so your answer will come minus 4 upon 15. Now it can't be solved further, so this is our answer. Now let's move on to the case number 2. In case number 2, the case is saying that when denominators are unequal, so what we will do if the denominators are unequal? For example, if I have taken this minus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4, so we will first take the LCM of this. The LCM of denominator (3) and 4 is 12. Okay, we will take the LCM, and that is 12, and after the LCM we will make these denominator into 12. How? First we will take, see, first I will take minus 2 upon 3, then I will make this denominator into 12. How? I will multiply it with 4, If I have multiplied 4 in the denominator, then I will multiply 4 in the numerator also. So your answer will come minus 8 upon 12. Understood? Then I will take 3 upon 4. Then if I have to convert, this is the first one and this is the second rational number. This is the first rational number, this is the second rational number. I have converted the first rational number, the denominator, into 12, and now I will convert the second rational number, its denominator, into 12. So I will multiply it with 3 and here also 3. So now it has come 9 upon 12. Now we have to do the operation of addition. So minus 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12 means now here you can see that the denominators are equal. So what we have to do, if the denominators are equal, we will take 12 as the LCM again and simply add it. So minus 8 plus 9, your answer will be 1 upon 12. So let's understand case number 2 with one more example. Here you can see that one rational number minus 3 upon 5 is being given to you. Then you have to add 7 upon minus 10 into it. So we will first convert this 7 upon minus 10 into a standard form, means we have to make this denominator positive. So in first step I have converted the rational number into a standard form, means sign has gone above. Now in the another step, as it is written that we have to take the LCM of the denominator 5 and 10, and that is 10, because in the table of 5 is also coming and 10 is also coming. So 10 is the LCM. So let's see, 10 is given to you. Now what we have to do, we will convert this denominator into 10. How? First we will take minus 3 upon 5, understood, and we will convert it into 10. So it will be converted into 10 if we are multiplying it with 2, and means 5 2s are 10, and multiply in the numerator 2. Okay, so minus 6 upon 10. So now it has been converted into 10. Let's take the another rational number, 7 upon 10. As you can see that the denominator here is already in 10, so we don't have to convert this into 10. So we will simply multiply it with 1, and here also 1. So your answer will come minus 7 upon 10 after multiplying these two. Now we will do the operation of addition. So as you can see that it is written minus 6 upon 10 plus minus 7 upon 10. Okay, so over here you can see that the denominators are same now. So again we will take the LCM 10 and add the numerator. So your answer will come minus 6 plus 7 minus 13 upon 10. I hope it has been clear to you. This is your answer. I hope you have understood that how the addition of rational number is done. Now we will understand that how the subtraction of rational number will be done with their cases. So your case number 1 is when denominators are equal. In this case also, when the denominators are equal, we will take the LCM 7, because 7 and 7 LCM will be 7 only, and we will simply subtract the numerator. So 5 minus 4 is 1 upon 7, and it can't be solved further. So this is your answer. Let's take another. 9 upon 13 and 6 upon 13 is given to you. Understood? Here also 13 and 13 are same. the denominators of these. So LCM will be 13 and the numerator will be minus, so this will be 3 upon 13 and it can't be solved further, so this is your answer. I hope it is clear. Now let's take the second one. So now let's understand case number 2 of subtraction, in which denominators are unequal. Let's see it with one example. For suppose if I have taken minus 5 upon 6 and then 5 upon minus 3. So how to do this? First we will take and solve it step by step. So this is not in standard form, this rational number, so your minus sign will go above and it will be written like this. Okay, now we will see that we will take the LCM. The LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Okay, because it is coming in the table. Understood? Now we will convert, as we have seen in the addition part. Let's do it here. As we have seen it in the addition part, that we have converted the denominator of each rational number. Okay, so we will convert it over here also. See, this denominator is already in 6, so we don't have to convert it. We will just simply multiply it with 1 in numerator and denominator and we will get minus 5 upon 6. Let's take another rational number, and that is 5 upon 3, and to convert this we will multiply it with 2, that because 3 2s are 6, then in numerator also, and it will be minus 10 upon 6. Now we will simply subtract the rational number. Okay, so now as you can see that the denominators of both the rational number is 6, so the LCM of both the denominator will be also 6, and simply we will subtract the numerator. Okay, so when we are opening the bracket, this small bracket with minus sign, so the inside sign will also change and it will become plus. So minus 5 plus 10, your answer will be 5 upon 6. So now we have understood the addition and subtraction of rational number. Now we will see that how the multiplication of rational number is done. For example, if the product of 2 or more rational number is given to you, so how their answer will come? Their answer will be product of their numerator, I am writing NUM, upon product of their denominator. Okay, see, product of 2 or more rational number. Okay, if we have to find the product of 2 or more rational number, so how we will find it? Product of the numerator and product of the denominator. Let's see and understand it with example. For example, 5 upon 6, one numerator is given, then we have to multiply it with minus 3 upon 4. So as it is written, we have to multiply the numerator, we will multiply the numerator, then we will multiply the denominator. So 5 multiplied by minus 3, okay, upon 6 multiplied by 4. So what will be your answer? Minus 15 upon 24. Okay. Now let's see that it can be further solved or not. Yes, it can be solved further because there is a number 3 which can divide this also and this 24 also. That is 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. I hope, and the minus sign. So I hope it is clear. Now let's take a problem based question of multiplication, that how the multiplication of rational numbers are done. So as you can see, the question is asking a cyclist moves with the speed of 7.2 upon 5 km per hour. How much distance will he cover in 1 upon 3 hours? Here your speed is given and your time is given, and you have to take out the distance. First, how to solve it? Let's see. The speed is given to you, and that is 7.2 upon 5 means 7 5s are 35 and 35 plus 2. See, here we will multiply and here we will add. So 7 5s are 35 plus 2, that is 37 upon 5 km per hour. Okay, this is the way how you will solve the mixed fraction. Then see, the time is also given in the mixed fraction. It is 2 1 upon 3. So over here you will multiply and add. Okay, so 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 3 hours. Understood? Now we have to take out the distance. So distance formula will be speed into time, that is 37 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 3. So how we will take out the answer? Product of numerator upon the product of denominator. So 37 multiplied by 7, your answer is 259. Then 5 multiplied by 3, your answer will be 15. Now it can also be written like this. If we will further solve it, it will be in a mixed fraction, 7 4 upon 15 kilometer, or you can even write it like this way or also like this. Both are correct. Understood? So now we are going to see that what is the multiplicative inverse. For example, if 3 by 4 is given to you and you have to do the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4. So your multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4 will be 4 by 3. Means we will simply make the denominator into numerator and the numerator into denominator. This is called the multiplicative inverse. Okay, let's understand one more time. If minus 6 upon 13 is given to you, so multiplicative inverse will be, multiplicative inverse is 13 upon minus 6. Now this is not in standard form, so we will do minus 13 upon 6. Okay. So now we will see that how the division of rational number is done. For example, if a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers such that c upon d is not equals to 0, then a upon b divided by c upon d is equals to a upon b. Then multiply the multiplicative inverse of C upon D, and the multiplicative inverse of C upon D is D upon C. Okay, so let's understand this theory with an example. See, as you can see here that 4 upon 25 is given to you, that you have seen it is in the form of A upon B, and divided by 3 upon 5, that is in the form of C upon D. So we will do the multiplicative inverse of C upon D. So the multiplicative inverse of C upon D is 5 upon 3. From here it can be easily solved. 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. Now we will multiply the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so 4 ones are 4 and 5 threes are is 15. It can't be further solved because there are no numbers that can divide these two, so this is your answer. Now let's take another example. For example, 2 upon 7 divided by 8 upon 35, that 8 is in the minus. Okay, so this is again in the form of A upon B and C upon D. We will again do the multiplicative inverse of C upon D. It will be written like this. Okay, then this is not in standard form, so we will shift the minus sign above and will be written like this. Understood? Now from here we can easily simplify, because multiplying it can be difficult for you, so simplifying it will be easier. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Okay, and 7 ones are 7 and 7 fives are 35. Now multiply the numerator and denominator. So this will be minus 5 multiplied by 1, minus 5 upon 4 ones are 4. Now it can't be further solved, so this is your answer. I hope you have understood that how the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational number is done.